Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the Quick Add feature on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The Snapchat Quick Add feature will suggest you in Quick Add to people who it thinks you may know, and give them the option to add you. You will also get suggested people who you may know in Quick Add. I will show you how to stop people from seeing you in Quick Add, and also how to stop seeing people in Quick Add. It is slightly different steps to do this on Android and iPhone, so I will show you both, starting with Android. Open up Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji or user icon in the top left corner. Then from the profile screen, tap on the settings cog in the top right corner. Scroll down Settings to the Privacy Control heading and tap on See Me in Quick Add. Now tap on the tick after Show Me in Quick Add to uncheck it. Once there is no tick, you will no longer be visible in Quick Add. Now I will show you how to stop being suggested people in Quick Add. Scroll down the settings to the Account Actions heading and tap on Contact Syncing. Turn off the toggle and then tap Confirm on the pop-up. Then tap on Removed Synced Contacts from Snapchat and tap Confirm on the pop-up. Now close Snapchat and open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, open Apps, and scroll down to and open Snapchat. Tap Permissions and then tap Contacts. Select Don't Allow. You now won't be suggested to people on Quick Add, and should also not get suggested people on Quick Add. If you're on iPhone, then open up Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji or user icon in the top left corner. Then from the profile screen, tap on the Settings cog in the top right corner. Scroll down Settings to the Additional Services heading and tap on Contacts. Turn off the toggle and then tap Confirm on the pop-up. Tap on Removed Synced Contacts from Snapchat and tap Confirm on the pop-up. Go back to the settings and under the Privacy Controls heading, tap on See Me in Quick Add. Turn off the toggle to the right of Show Me in Quick Add. Now close Snapchat and open up the Settings app. Scroll down to Snapchat and tap it to open it. Turn off the toggle to the right of Contacts. Now you won't get suggested to people in Quick Add, and you also shouldn't get Quick Add suggestions. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.